Hello everyone and welcome to the second day, configuration of Cuda with TensorFlow. For NVIDIA GPU users, on the first day we installed some prerequisites like Anaconda 3 and then we created a virtual environment named TFODU2. So what today we are going to do is we are going to configure the GPU with TensorFlow so that you can train your model in GPU. You can use this object detection in your GPUs to train fast, to train faster. It will increase the FPS also, frame per second. So now just go like you have TensorFlow 2.2, right? You have TensorFlow 2.2. You can write which version of TensorFlow works with Cuda and all, or okay, TensorFlow compatibility with Cuda. So it's like see, there are different versions of Cuda. Now what is Cuda is just a bridge. You can say it's a bridge between graphic card and TensorFlow. Okay, it will help you to use TensorFlow in graphics card. So if you have TensorFlow 2.2, you can go for Cuda 10.1, okay, 10.1 for 2.2, and Cuda Cudnn, okay. I always pronounce it as a Cuda NN, I don't know why, but Cudnn, this is another very important thing, okay. So two things you need to configure to use TensorFlow with graphic cards. So for TensorFlow 2.2, you can directly go for Cuda 10.1 with Cudnn 7.6. So just right here write Cuda 10.1 toolkit, and you will land here, okay, and developer.nvidia.com, and just go here and see, this is original archive, where you need to go. Why it's not showing me the option? Oh gosh, I don't know why. Wait, is that broken? Wait, I don't know why this is not showing me the platform. See, the operating system, it's not showing me the option of operating system. I don't know why, but alright, just go to the second link, this Cuda Toolkit archive, www.nvidia.com, this Cuda Toolkit archive, and you can choose from Cuda Toolkit 10.1 update 2. You can go for which one we need to go? 10.1, right? So 10.1 update 1, update 2, whatever you can go for, okay. And yeah, now it's showing operating system for me Windows, and this Windows 10, and then local, okay, and this 2.5 GB of this you need to download. So if you click on this, it will start downloading, okay. So let me cancel this. I've already downloaded, okay. After you finish downloading, where I have downloaded see Cuda Cuda 10.1, okay. I've also downloaded 10.2 for different version of TensorFlow for different environment, okay. So you can have multiple Cuda system, you can have multiple Cuda versions for different TensorFlow environments, okay. It will not create any problem. So Cuda 10.1, just click on this and just open this, and see, before I open this, okay, so before we configure, okay, let me just call my Python and call your Python, okay. So and just import TensorFlow. So see, if you have installed GPU, so it will tell you could not load dynamic library, okay, because after all you have not done any configuration. So tensorflow.test is GPU available, is it is available? If yes, then AVALABLE AVAI. If it is available, it will show you true, otherwise it will show you false. So yeah, it's not available right now. Okay, you cannot use TensorFlow with graphics card. So exit right now, and yeah. So yeah, we have opened this and just see it will install here. Okay, just and let it install. So like first of all it will extract and then it will install. Okay, so till it's getting things done, you just need to go for Cudnn 7.6. okay, 7.6 written now. So 7.6, go and download and go to here. It will tell you to log in, sign up, something. Okay, so just do it. Download Cudnn. Okay, see right now what's this? The NVIDIA Cuda, that is deep neural network. Okay, Cudnn is a GPU accelerated library for of primitives for deep neural networks. Cudnn provides highly tuned implementation for standard routines such as forward and backward convolution pooling. Basically, it's just saying that it is used for the deep neural networks. Okay, just log in. See, it will tell you to log in. Just log in. Okay, or join now. If you have not joined, no fee is required. Okay, there is no fee. It's free. So just sign up and or log in. Okay, so let me pause little bit now. Like just give me 1 second. Okay, I will. Oops. So I will put up my email ID there. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, so I've written my email ID. Actually, now if you click on there, now it will show you many options, like previous one. So there was my number also. So log in and yeah. So now after login, there you go. Okay, I agree to the terms and conditions, and then archive Cudnn release, like it will give you some options. Just click on archive Cudnn release and just go for 7.6. Then 7.6.5, 7.6.4, 7.6.3, you can go for anything. Just see here for Cuda 10.1. Okay, like you will see many options. So like see. So I'm just gonna go for the latest one, 7.6.5 for Cuda 10.2. You will be having 7.6.5 for Cuda 10.1. For Cuda, okay, we have 10.1, right? So just download this. If you click on this, it will tell you Cudnn library for this Windows 10 and same architecture. Okay, so it will download. Let me cancel this. I've already downloaded. Okay, so this thing is also going on. Okay, so let this one download. Okay, let this one download and let this one install, and I'll tell you how to configure. Okay, it will take some time, so let it go. So we have downloaded this Cuda and you will find this in C program files, NVIDIA GPU computing toolkit Cuda, and see 10.1. okay, 10.2, as I said, I've downloaded for the different version of TensorFlow. So for this environment, it will call this by itself. Okay, it will call Cuda 10.1 by itself. For another environment, for another TensorFlow environment, it will call 10.2 by itself. Okay, you don't need to do anything else. But this is the 10.1. So now we have installed Cuda, and one thing we need to do is we need to we have downloaded Cudnn also, right? So see, here you go, Cudnn 10.1, Windows 10 64. I hope you are able to see. Cudnn 10.1, Windows 10 64 7.6.5. okay, so just extract it somewhere. So let me just extract in the C itself. Okay, C drive, new folder. So it's gonna be like this, Cudnn 10.1 Windows 10. Okay, for Cuda 10.2 I've already done. Okay, I have named it as Cuda 10.2 itself. But here you go. So just extract it and it will extract. And now you have both Cudnn. Now you have both Cudnn and Cuda. Now you need to configure this Cudnn with that Cuda. Okay. So just see this. Here you have these 3 folders, bin, include, library. Okay. So just copy this 3 folder. Copy. Okay. Just go to that program files, NVIDIA GPU Computing Toolkit, Cuda. Okay. And this version 10.1, and see, you will find this same bin, include, library, same. Just paste it here. Why? Because there are some files like continue. Okay. See, paste. Okay, done. Configuration is done. Why? Because there are some files. See, let me just show you. Cudnn 10.1 Cuda. Like if you go into that Cudnn, the Cuda and the bin, this file is needed there. Okay. This file is needed there and this file is needed there. Okay. These 3 files was needed in here in the Cuda 10.1. okay, in the bin folder. That file was not present here, so you pasted and it's now present here. Okay, it's now present here. See, Cudnn 64.7, and similarly in lib and include. So you have configured Cuda with Cudnn, and basically now you can say you have configured your TensorFlow with graphics card. And now if you just call your Python, and just now you can import TensorFlow once again. Import TensorFlow. See, successfully open dynamic library, and there you go. And now if you just do once again TensorFlow.test.is GPU available. See, successfully opened everything, and now it's true. So now you have configured graphic cards with TensorFlow, and you can use your graphic card with TensorFlow. Basically, your FPS will increase. Okay, frame per second. You can train faster, and it will make your life easier. Okay, so this too is done. So meet me tomorrow for the 3rd day, installation and running object detection. This is gonna be live. Okay, this is gonna be live. So if you have any doubt, if I miss something, let me know. Okay. So alright, you can DM me on Instagram, link in bio, link in description, or you can comment down here also. So alright.